Welcome to us home. Thank you and Happy New Year. Hi guys, I'm back with a new recipe. Why I need your help. First, we need to clean the 1 cup butter. Butter makes the cookies tender. Let's add 1 cup sugar. Wait, there's a bit more. I'm scared of the mixer, so can you help me?
Okay.
Mix, mix, mix. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla. It smells good. Eggs. Mix, mix, mix. Now my favorite part. Now we need to sift the flour. Oops! Continue mixing. Now, let's combine our wet and dry ingredients. Star of the recipe, oatmeal. Now we grease the baking pan. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.